Back in January of 1982, Carmichael Honda had a sale on XR500Rs. $2,000 and you're ready to go ripping down the trail. I bought one.
You just feel like burning up the trail. They're old and dirty.
Oh, he's taking.
They're all messed up, broken, taped, dirty.
You shouldn't wear it.
Gotta keep that dirt out of there. Keep it out. There you go. We'll get that front wheel rolling down the dirt roads. Front forks removal. Use your hand. We'll remove the wheel. It's the same thing exactly, except it's got black instead of orange.
Yeah. You gotta get the Mr. Krause now. Somebody glue some shit on.
He said they're the only place in town that does it like this.
That's why it's $35.
Yeah.
So you're gonna get your truck back on the road then.
Yeah.
Now you gotta get a battery. They're $105. Clean up the garage, clean up the backyard.
Do that? The Iraqis are killing the people they previously tortured. Seventh-day adventurers tightening their wheels. Tonight it'd be good. Did John tell you about it?
So far, so good. Looks like we've got the front wheel off. And on the forks, there's this plastic clamp that holds the speedometer cable from flopping all over the place. We're gonna have to take that off of there. Each fork has a total of 4 bolts, holding them into the triple clamps.
Hold the handlebar straight, right? Right fork is off.
They've got these little clamps out of metal on the fork boots. You're gonna have to take those off.
25 and stuff in time to fill.
Those are the old fork boots. If you're having trouble getting them off, you can use a screwdriver to pry up on the old rubber fork boots.
Or it's wrecking.
Okay, we'll see how these work out. Bet you they'd be too big around the fork or something.
Dangly.
Let me pee.
Muzak.
tubes can be turned around any way you want to go. That's what I mean. Can be.
But there is a mark line up.
Bible hymns that says, I will find an angel, read it, baby, and tell you it's God. It's your God.
Oh, that looks good with new boots on there.
Yeah, just hold the
So,
bars.
I went to put the front wheel on, and it was trouble. It's like there's way too much room in there.
What do you mean, what's the deal?
Like spread super wide.
Is this one here turned wrong? Is this one here turned wrong?
That's right.
It's like it's this far out.
The only thing I can figure is we must have bent forks.
Right like that. Just keep an eye on it. Then I'm gonna turn. You also gotta hold this straight.
Yeah, that's probably what it is.
Yeah, this forks bend, I think. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, man. You just gotta get it around the right spot.
You had it right at the right
I
spot.
had it close, yeah.
Looks like it's coming out this way, and they're both bent this
It's probably from when I ran into this Pinto I hit once. Or it could be when I ran into this other guy's car.
This happens to be old.
Oh, I've hit this side.
Right, you've been in multiple crashes.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, look at the end of the bolt. Hit a car. Right there, and that's we got it bent in that way.
Probably what this is on.
Now that'd be the motor light. Go about the gate. Like that every time?
Yeah.
Does it go on?
No, I talked to him about it. Someone talks to them and
Which is like when the bicycle slip.
two boards, huh?
What I have to do.
Yeah. 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 Get out of here, dog.
Okay, as you can see, folks, we do have boots. It's going to be an SDI raid with boots. An SDI raid.
there you go. That's how you do it. We got the new fork boots on. Somehow we got the wheel to roll. We did put new fluid in the forks too. That's the first time they ever got a change out. We're not going to show you that.
Well, now that we got the boots on, let's check the oil level of our forks. See if we can't get them filled back up with some brand new oil.
What happened was when I took the fork caps off, an exploded view occurred. And all the parts popped right out of the top, the forks sank to the ground, and I don't know which way to put them together. So I'm gonna guess.
Just take a guess. Hope it works. Keep trying to guess about it and keep trying to hope that it's still... Okay, we've got the proper cc's of oil. We've got the caps back on the top there. We're ready to air pressurize the stuff.
We use a standard bicycle pump for this.
You're going to need an accurate tire gauge to check pressure. Make sure your front wheel's up off the ground and then pressurize them and let them down. We'd like to have approximately 5 pounds of pressure.
Make sure you put your caps back on, or you're gonna get dirt down in there. All right, we're ready for a trial run now.
Wow, this is really showing the old 82 some love. I mean, come on. And I've just ridden and ridden and ridden. I've never done anything to it but adjust the chain, change the chain and sprockets, change the oil. It's just been right, and I've been riding good. It's nice to finally give it some love. This motor's never been rebuilt and is still running today.
Having made all the proper adjustments, we'll now complete this service session.
Remember, this session only cost 50 cents. We did it right here at John Beetle's house, and it was tremendous fun. Just take a look at all the colors we saw. That's some of the colors there. The bike syndrome.
Yeah.
Take a look at that bike.
Keep telling Tim every day.
All right, so there you go. That's how you do the fork boots on an 82. Yeah, there was no intermission in this one. It was straight through. Thanks for hanging with me. And if you want, go ahead and hit buttons and stuff. It's great when you subscribe and like. You can't be nice. Watch the Too Many Rides channel for more videos coming up soon.